Good morning, student. Hope all are well at home. Today we discuss about physiology and sports physiology and exercise physiology and how many factors of determining of strength. So, what is actually physiology? The science which is related to the function of living things is called physiology. The components of physical fitness are strength, endurance, speed, flexibility, and coordinating abilities. Which exercise is done, there are many changes that take place in the body due to the exercise. There is an impact on all those components. Now we discuss about what is the sports physiology. So sports physiology is study of long and short term effect of training and condition of athlete. So anatomy is about structure, which is physiology about a function of body. So that is meaning of sports physiology. Now we discuss about exercise physiology. So what is the exercise physiology? A study of how to the body react to the physical exercise in both and long and short term, and how the body adapt to ongoing exercise and changes to a routine time. So that is the meaning of exercise physiology. Now we discuss about factor determining of strength. So what is a factor actually? So strength is the ability of muscle to overcome resistance. Strength can be amount of force a muscle can exert. Strength can be divided into static and dynamic strength. So factor determining factor, these are exposed on here. First one is type of muscles fibers. So there are two types of muscle fiber. First one is red muscles. So also known as a slow twitch, and white muscle fibers known as a fast muscle fiber. Sometimes slow muscle fibers best used for cardiovascular aerobic fibers and best used for anaerobic activities. So that is the condition apply on slow muscle fiber. So sometimes slow twitch muscle fibers supports long distance endurance activities like marathon, cycling, long term of duration of running. So that's the kind of condition. And white muscles, fast twitch muscle fiber used for quick sports like powerlifting, boxing punches, sprinting, or sometimes weightlifting, powerlifting, 100-meter, 200-meter, and football kick, and sometimes diving in swimming. So that is condition applying on fast muscle fibers. Now discuss about size of the muscles. The size of the muscle actually, the strength on the muscle largely depends upon the size of muscle. It is a fact that bigger and larger muscles can produce more force with the help of training. So method of strength like weight training, powerlifting, and other some gym exercise, the size of muscle can be increased with of exercises. Now discuss about muscle cross sections. So what is the muscle cross sections areas actually? It's generally measured with grit measurement. The muscle having bigger cross sectional areas has more strength because larger muscles have a better quality of action and myosin filaments in action area of sports or cross section area of muscles. Okay, now discuss about age and gender. So sometimes muscle strength decline with the age due to a decrease in muscle cross section areas. The strength change with the increase in the age, especially after 15 years. You have more powerful in after 15, 16, 17, 18 or 19, 20 because you are more adult on that condition. So men have a bigger muscle size leading to better strength as compared to women in condition of hair actually. So muscle power will be increased when you do some training or exercises. So that is depend on age or gender is most important. So now next point, nerve impulses. So nerve impulses, your brain and your nervous system have the power of activate more and motor units when they need to generate a large amount of force. So a nerve impulse intensity and the number of motor units determine the muscular strength. That is why nerve impulse is most important for a sports person or muscle strength. Now discuss about next point, neuron efficiency. So the nervous system also play a role in muscle strength. Your brain and nerve system have the power to dictate more motor unit when they need to generate large amount of force. So through a strength training, your body learns to recruit more motor unit and increase how to often units of fitness. So this is one of the way to gain additional strength throughout a resistance training. So in condition, you apply on sports with a neural muscular system, nerve influences. Your age sometimes very important. If you have a young age, you have a more powerful another one. So that is the condition apply on sports person. So in this lecture, we discuss about sports physiology and exercise physiology, and sports physiology discuss about your function of body of physiology. Okay, and if discuss about anatomy is discuss about your body parts. But when we discuss about physiology, we discuss about how to be create a function in bodies. So in condition, we discuss about type of muscle fibers, two type of muscle fibers, white and blue. And the red muscle fibers, sometimes we need a white muscle fibers, sometimes we need a blue muscle fibers. So depend on sports person, what kind of participate in sports. That is the size of the muscle is most important, and cross section areas, age and gender, and nerve impulse and neural efficiency. That is the condition apply on a sports person. That is the most important topic and the most important little bit of sports conditions apply on sports person. Thank you so much. In next lecture we will discuss about another topic.